Get out of the dishwasher, go. Why don't you be a good girl like your sister and go get on the kitchen table.
Morning, Dad. Morning, Dad. Morning.
What?
What did you do? You're a monster!
What? Hi! Hello, dear!
Please, Dad, don't be mad. I just miss the beach so bloody much.
The bloody dog? He been so bad today? He not fucking listening to me?
No.
Ah!
Tell me that your dog is spoiled without actually telling me that your dog is spoiled.
Hey, mister, come here. Mister, come here. Mister, come here. Come here.
Yep.
Hey buddy, you want some time? He's a good boy.
Oh, Joey, I just missed that.
I don't know why, but Puppet just spins in circles around her food unless I pick it up and put it in a box, and then I put Puppet in the box, then Puppet will eat her food.